A family of four is allowed back home tonight after a very scary situation on the city's north side.
Yeah, that's where they all came down with various levels of carbon monoxide poisoning while inside their apartment near 161 in Cleveland. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now live from Chesapeake Mill Apartments with how that family is doing tonight. Dan.
Well, tonight they feel much better. In fact, as you mentioned, the family is allowed to go back inside their home, according to firefighters, but they said they would prefer to stay in a hotel tonight. Now, this happened around 2 o'clock this morning. The family, 2 adults and 2 children, all started to feel sick. They were nauseous and woozy. 8-year-old Tawan actually started vomiting. Now, firefighters came here while the kids and their mother went to the hospital. It was quickly determined the family had carbon monoxide poisoning. Again, all are well tonight, and for that, they know they are very lucky.
I still felt something the other day, but I felt like it was just a headache or something. But now that I know what it was, I mean, it's just scary. It's just glad to be alive.
Now, the cause of the leak is still under investigation. Firefighters told me they turned off the natural gas for the furnace and the hot water heater. At 6 o'clock, I'll break down all of the symptoms that this family had. I'm also going to tell you what this apartment complex is doing right now to make sure this never happens again. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.
All right, Dan, thank you. Now, a few safety reminders for you at home. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas. If you are feeling a little dizzy, lightheaded, or if you feel like you want to throw up and you think it might be related to carbon monoxide poisoning, get help. Make sure you're getting your heating system, water heater, and other appliances in your home checked by a technician every year. And be sure to install a battery-operated CO detector in your home. When you change the clocks, change the battery.